Dear learners, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the fascinating world of idioms. Today we have a very interesting idiom to discuss, which is about being kind and grateful. The idiom is दान की बछिया के दांत नहीं देखे जाते. Let's get started. So, what does दान की बछिया के दांत नहीं देखे जाते mean? Literally translated, it means you don't look at the teeth of a donated calf. In essence, this idiom teaches us to appreciate the gesture of receiving a gift without scrutinizing it too closely or questioning its value. This idiom is the Hindi equivalent of the English saying, "Don't look a gift horse in the mouth." Both idioms emphasize gratitude and the idea that when you receive a gift, you should appreciate it for what it is and not criticize or analyze it too much. आज जिस हिंदी मुहावरे की हम बात करेंगे वो है दान की बछिया के दांत नहीं देखे जाते, जिसे आप इंग्लिश में कहना चाहें तो कह सकते हैं Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. To understand the origin of दान की बछिया के दांत नहीं देखे जाते, let's travel back in time to ancient India. In rural and agricultural societies, cows and calves were valuable assets. Gifting a calf was considered a generous and significant gesture. However, inspecting the teeth of a calf to judge its age and health was seen as rude and ungrateful, as it implied distrust in the generosity of the giver. The same sentiment applies to the English idiom, "Don't look a gift horse in the mouth." Historically, horses' teeth were examined to determine their age and health. When someone gave you a horse as a gift, inspecting its mouth was considered disrespectful, as it questioned the sincerity of the gift. This idiom has ancient roots, dating back to around 400 AD. It first appeared in the writings of Saint Jerome, a 4th century cleric. Saint Jerome used the Latin phrase "noli equidentes inspicere donati," which translates to "never inspect the teeth of a given horse." The idea behind this saying is that when you receive a gift, you should be grateful for what it is and avoid assessing its value too critically. The idiom advises us not to be overly critical or ungrateful when receiving something as a gift. Just as you wouldn't examine a horse's teeth to judge its worth, you shouldn't scrutinize the value of a present. Instead, appreciate the gesture and be thankful. Imagine a scenario where someone gives you a surprise gift. Rather than questioning its quality or worth, embrace the kindness behind the gesture. Remember, it's not about the material value, it's about the thoughtfulness and goodwill. Now that we understand the origin and meaning of the idiom, let's look at some practical examples of how it can be used in everyday conversation. Imagine you are at a birthday party and a friend gives you a handmade gift. Even if it's not perfect, you should appreciate the effort and thought behind it. दान की बछिया के दांत नहीं देखे जाते. Don't criticize the gift. Be thankful for the gesture. At a community event, volunteers are distributing free food. It's not polite to complain about the taste or quality of the food. Remember, दान की बछिया के दांत नहीं देखे जाते. Appreciate the generosity and effort put into providing it. Idioms like दान की बछिया के दांत नहीं देखे जाते teach us valuable life lessons about gratitude and humility. Next time you receive a gift, remember to appreciate it for what it is and not for what it could be. जिस तरह दान की बछिया के दांत नहीं देखे जाते, उसी तरह एक घोड़ा जो आपको तोहफे में मिला है, उसका मुंह नहीं चेक किया जाता. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.